The Camino de Santiago is filled with breathtaking sights and rich history, but beyond the popular stops, there are hidden gems that many pilgrims overlook. In this video, we're uncovering 5 hidden treasures along the Camino that will make your journey even more special. Stick around to discover these unique spots and their incredible stories. Let's kick off our list with the Church of Santa Maria la Real in Cebreiro. This tiny, picturesque mountain village is home to one of the oldest churches on the Camino, dating back to the 9th century. It's not just beautiful, it's a place of legend. According to tradition, a Eucharistic miracle occurred here when a disbelieving priest witnessed the bread and wine physically transform into flesh and blood. Whether you're here for the history or the breathtaking views, Cebreiro is a must-see. At number 4, we have the Fountain of Wine at Bodegas Irache. Yes, you heard that right, a fountain of wine. Located near Estella, this unique stop offers free wine to passing pilgrims. The tradition comes from the Benedictine monks who lived here centuries ago, offering wine as a symbol of hospitality. Today, the fountain is maintained by a local winery and serves as a fun and memorable stop for pilgrims on their way to Santiago. Just don't overindulge, you still have miles to go. Coming in at number 3 are the ruins of San Antón Monastery near Castrogeres. This stunning site dates back to the 14th century and once served as a hospital for pilgrims. Walking through its Gothic arches feels like stepping back in time. Pilgrims used to pass through a special arch here, where monks would bless them as they continued their journey. Today, it's a peaceful and evocative stop that reminds us of the Camino's long history of care and devotion. At number 2 is Alto del Perdón, or the Hill of Forgiveness. This ridge, just outside Pamplona, offers sweeping views of the Navarre countryside. The highlight here is the iconic metal sculpture of pilgrims walking into the wind, a powerful reminder of the resilience and spirit of the Camino. The climb can be challenging, but the reward is worth it. Take a moment at the top to soak in the view and reflect on your journey. And finally, at number 1, we have Finisterre. While not officially part of the Camino de Santiago, many pilgrims continue their journey to this coastal town, once thought to be the end of the world. The rugged beauty of the coastline and the iconic lighthouse make this a powerful place for reflection. Pilgrims often burn an item of clothing or leave a token as a symbol of closure and transformation. It's the perfect way to conclude your Camino experience. The Camino de Santiago is more than a walk. It's a journey of discovery, faith, and connection. These hidden gems add even more depth and magic to an already unforgettable experience. Have you walked the Camino? Share your favorite hidden spots in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more travel inspiration. Buen Camino!